Hey guys, it's cold outside, but we're going to go out and we're going to fire up the Blackstone and we're going to throw some wings on the griddle. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get this started. Let's go ahead and get some oil down here. Now this is just canola oil, but you can use whatever you prefer. I like to spread a thin layer of oil on the entire griddle so that it's always helping the seasoning. Got about 4 or 5 pounds of wings. We buy these in a 10-pound bag at Sam's Club. They're just nice and meaty. I don't have any wind guards yet, so with it being so cold, we're probably going to be lucky to get this griddle much over 350 degrees today. So we're going to have to help this out however we can by spreading these out over the burners, and we're probably going to have to cover these as well. There, our wings are starting to get some browning now. We want to keep moving them around to keep them from just burning to the griddle, and also get them cooked all the way through.
I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up glasses.
Let's check the temp of our wings and see where we're at. It looks like we're about somewhere between 175 and 180. So we're good to go ahead and get our sauce on here now.
Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans.
Now this is just Sweet Baby Ray's Honey Barbecue. You might choose your own favorite brand, or choose to spice up your favorite brand with some whiskey or some hot sauce, just to add a little of something extra. But we enjoy the Honey Barbecue.
Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I end up calling on. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending
Oh man, don't those look good?
Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine.
Well, let's go ahead and we'll get these off the griddle and we'll head inside. So we're back inside and boy do those wings look good. So if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment below. And don't forget, click that little subscribe button right here. And while you're at it, check out another one of these great videos. We'll see you out there.